So I'm Emery Morrison with Fr8qu8ncy and Rockstar Wireless. This is one of the projects that I co-executive produce with inside Fortnite. And this shoe is built off of the game Envy. And it co-stars celebrity entrepreneur Drika Gates. And in the game, we got items that are shoppable inside Fortnite. So this is how we're bridging technology and the physical products. And then SBARTSTV is our partner where it allows you to tap in and create an experience with this as well. So that bridges everything across the board for a fan experience, and that's what we have. We have this version of the shoe. We have the custom AWE version of the shoe. We have the high top version of the shoe as well. So you play the game, you see the shoes, you get the digital items, and then you can also come outside and get the physical items and create that experience. So that's a fan experience, and also partnerships with B2B brands as well.
Incredible. So are you working with Fortnite directly with Epic Games? Or how does that partnership work?
So that partnership work is, I was contacted by an amazing young lady by the name of Charlene Nichols, and Charlene owns a company called Omniverse City. Omniverse City is the only platform in the world that's directly integrated into Fortnite as a virtual world. When me and her hit it off and started talking about doing business, she said, hey, Em, you got connections with brands, talent, celebs, entertainers, athletes. Let's collaborate. So the first collaboration we did was the game Envy, which this shoe is built off of.
Yeah.
And then she introduced me to Ian, the CEO of Sneaker, right over there, and we created this shoe. We also have a game called Raw City, where over the last 6 months we brought in over 30 brands in Fortnite with different brands, from creating that experience around whether it be a retail experience for a restaurant or a headphone company or a streetwear brand or a food brand or a water brand, a coconut drink brand. That's what we're doing. So we're bridging all of those aspects all interoperable directly together.
And then how are the players, what's the player base of Envy on Fortnite?
So let's talk about the biggest game we have right now is Raw City, where we brought in, and I'll tell you the play based on that. Over the last 6 weeks, we've had somewhere around 600,000 plays at around 45 minutes a play. That's a new game that we started from the beginning, right? That's an Omniverse City collaboration, that's a Fr8qu8ncy collaboration, and what we did is we launched these games, and we're making these games connect together as we're creating these different experiences. So that would be our base there.
And then how are you social media in this? How are you getting your user base? Is it like TikTok? Is it YouTube? Is it who are your user base?
That's a great question. So the challenges about gaming is you can't do traditional marketing on Instagram. You could have a lot of interaction going on Instagram, but there's no link that allows you to go directly into the game. For me personally, my Instagram is LinkedIn, and I can go in on LinkedIn and I can post about it, and I can create a direct link, and I can have people go directly into where the game is on Fortnite, and you can play it. But what we are leveraging is we're leveraging our first party data relationships, meaning email and text as a brand company, to let people know who are gamers that we are creating these brands and these products, and we'll send those blasts out, and then they can click the link and go directly into there. And then other stuff is just word of mouth, just like how we're doing right now with you, Cliff. Word of mouth marketing and creating that opportunity at AWE.
And then a lot of Fortnite just has its own ecosystem as well.
Yes, Fortnite is dope. Now, there's something that we did within Fortnite, and the main developer, Jay, shout out to him, created our own revenue product. So it's like V-Bucks, but it's called Robux. And inside the game Raw City, you go to an ATM and you buy Robux with V-Bucks, and then you can go buy the digital items inside there. So that's kind of how we do that. But now, also gaming partnerships, right? One of the things that we're doing is we're creating partnerships like at the Malibu Mixer, where we're integrating Fortnite in a experience there, right? And then also I'm executive producing a festival in Central California called the Wonderland. It's the Circus Wonderland, and we're creating that experience there. Taking that first party data in, partnering up with them, and then letting them know where our games and where our physical items can also appear digitally.
Yes, that sounds incredible. Thanks so much, Emery. We can't wait to tell everybody on 400,000 YouTube, SBARTSTV, and LinkedIn. It's great to see you at AWE 2026.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.